Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're experiencing lag in Destiny 2, you're not alone, but these methods will help you get back to smooth gameplay. Step 1. Start by clearing your console's cache. Power off your device completely, wait about 30 seconds, then unplug it from the wall for a full minute. This clears temporary files that might be causing connection issues. Plug it back in and restart the game. Step 2. Check your internet connection by running a speed test on your device. You'll want at least 15 megabits per second download and 3 megabits upload for smooth gameplay. If you're below that, move closer to your router or consider upgrading your internet plan. Step 3. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. This gives you a much more stable connection and significantly reduces lag spikes during combat. If you can't use Ethernet, at least move your console closer to your router. Step 4. Lower your graphics settings and reduce the frame rate cap in Destiny 2's settings menu. Go to Video Settings and turn off Motion Blur, reduce Field of View, and cap your frame rate at 60 frames per second for more stable performance. Step 5. Update your game and console software to the latest versions. Outdated software can cause connection problems and compatibility issues. Check for updates in your system settings and in the game's launcher before jumping into strikes or raids.